Hello guys, and welcome to Luke Adventures with my dad.
It's showtime.
Oh my god, my visors are blurry and shit.
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing? It's like... Oh, maybe he does need to edge out.
He can see us better than we can see him. We had the sun in our eyes, he didn't.
This bike is just like... Run, 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 run. Everyone's braking. Everyone is braking. A car is turning left. You need to make a noisy. You need to make your Kawasaki noisy, Dad. You need to make it natural. She's not like a happy bike being all quiet and stuff. There is actually a good reason why you should have a noisy bike. It just makes it very clear to anyone around you there is a noisy thing coming their way, and it makes them look. It makes them think, and that's what you want. It makes them go, oh! Instead of being a brain dead, half dead person, and then something happens because they didn't know you were there.
Well, there is. Makes people notice you.
That's always the excuse. I didn't see you! You fucking killed me. I didn't see you, though! Or, you crashed, you smacked me, and now I'm on the floor, and you go, I didn't see you! Right, so I have my lights on and a noisy bike. Now you fuckers can see me! No, you can't see me now.
Shit.
Ah. Shit, yeah. I have to stop. No, my voice really does suck. No, my visor sucks in the sun.
I think they all do. Yeah.
Sorry, but biking does not get any easier. One thing you should always do, YouTube people. Never leave your keys in your bike.
Sweet.
Because you would probably get it stolen. Ready to crumble.
My holy crap. They fucking flattened, holy shit. Wow.
They've destroyed it.
Yeah. Totally wrecked it.
This bike is designed to be a violent bike. Why aren't you talking, Dad? Talk about stuff.
Oh no, I just, glad that we're out on the bikes. It's kind of been a while. Do you think it's been a while?
Yes, it has. Kawasaki's, I like the lightness. Kawasaki's seem to be the lightest bikes produced. And, bang! I'm clear of the bus. Bus was a threat. It makes the bike easier to handle. Probably makes sense on speed, having that whole weight, because weight does affect how stable a bike is at speed. But then it's heavy and you're at low corner. What happens in the times when, like, you find a corner you weren't expecting? Oh, he's definitely less than 650 cc's. You can tell just by the tyres. Try and stay left if I can. Try. That's when nimbleness comes in its own. Oh my god, look at Dad leaning. Look at him leaning. Oh my god. No, we don't. Dad was leaning. Hey. If only you YouTube people could experience what I'm experiencing on this wonderful, wonderful bike. What you experience on the bike is the elements around you, the world around you. Oh, we got an inbounder behind us! We got a bike inbound. Unknown classification. Oh, he's definitely less than 650 cc's. You can tell just by the tyres. Learner.
Oh, right. It's taken ages to find out that it's a learner. Damn it. Now we know. Our bike's wanted. Thank you. I wanted a quiet bike. That's what I actually wanted. Evening we got split up several times, and it's all because of you're not keeping up with me. I keep up with you when you're leading. Just keep practicing it and don't fucking deviate.
Bloody hell. Bloody hell. No, I was looking at a front bumper with filler and primer all over it. Or filler. Fuck me. Oh, you cannot drop your concentration in places like this. So I'm going to be silent now, you're right. It's just like not fucking safe.
Oh, here we go. I thought we'd just go explore, I guess. Oh yeah, why don't we go... Oh yeah, I don't know. Yeah. I don't know which way. Cash, register, EPOS. Oh, BCG. Oh, they've gone downhill over the years. Oh, van coming. After the van. Hey, it's this place! Ah. Well, it's a bit busier.
God, this road sucks badly.
People drinking outside.
Probably would be.
That one seems quite busy. And that one. That's really busy. Fuck. Very chatty. No, I was thinking. you know how your processor suddenly uses up lots of CPU cycles on particular tasks, or whichever task takes its fancy. I was just enjoying the ride. Was, what can I call it? Not defragmenting so much as processing. So just putting stuff into place, stuff I needed to think about, but I don't know how to explain it to you. Like, you're on your bike, okay, and you're moseying along and you think about something, and I can think about that something really, really fast. Like, it processes. Probably not my thinking's any faster, my processor's the same. Just the amount of data I can handle changes, the throughput. And then when I'm at home and that, my processing might take half a day.
I've got a fuel light.
Well, then we better get you some fuel. I can do with a little, but only a little because I've got 2 bars gone. Smell of food and I'm hungry. Cotton Eye Joe's best tour, Mahabharat, Kim Saigon. Bloody hell.
Bloody hell, that smell of food.
Just smelling of food. It was just like, oh. That's what I'm getting at. Eyes open. Scanners online. Well, we can stop here. Holiday maker, holiday maker, holiday maker, holiday maker, holiday maker. Bit holiday maker. Do they look like they're worth robbing?
Where people get robbed, where people get robbed. I don't know. It does happen though.
Do they? Do they look like they're worth robbing? I wouldn't rob them. They've come on holiday. What are you like? You should, because it could be you next. And you know it, and you know it. Don't even try me. They're having a lovely holiday, and all you want to do is ruin it. They all look really happy. They did.
I'm sure they do. I'm sure they do. Is that the realities?
Welcome to the bay, where you get robbed. It's not fair. Let them enjoy it. Oh, in it. Stop, go, stop, go, stop, go. Can't everyone just drive a little bit more smoother?
Now I can't see because of the fucking sun!
You've got a sun visor built into your helmet.
Oh yeah, I do, don't I? I actually do. I actually do have that, yeah. Although riding this bike on the shitty roads while trying to deploy that is a bit of a nightmare, really. Sorry, but it feels like that. It feels like a nightmare. 'Cause I can't fucking feel it!
Yeah. Wow, they made those flats like so quickly. Ferrari. Anyway, they built those flats so quickly.
Not as good as they could be.
Like they're something built in India or Pakistan that's going to fall down really quickly. Crikey. Here we go. Freedom! What have we got here? Could you make any more fucking noise, mate? Oh my... What? What the... What was that? Oh, it's hurting my ears, mate. That's offensive. Like, not the decibels. The decibels are fine. It's just the flat.
It doesn't look very nice, does it?
God almighty.
That is not a nice noise, is it? That is a badly built noise. That is not a good noise for your engine. It sounds shit.
Sure, the engine's making a lovely noise, but his exhaust is like, ugh. What? No. What is that all about? Wow. In the world of noisiness, that was noisy.
Okay. It's past this petrol station that's on the right hand side. It's like the first turn right after that petrol station.
Wow, I just squeezed 12 quid worth of fuel in my bike and had 2 bars down. Making no sense whatsoever. Oh, we haven't got any pound coins, have we? Fuck. Nice and smooth now, nice. You don't have to. I'm the lead bike, so I'll do it. You're supposed to be right behind me, dude. Stuck behind a BMW. Why? Why are you possibly stuck behind a BMW? Oh, for fuck's sake. I said filtering right behind.
If I was looking down at a roundabout from a bird, I would say you shouldn't indicate on when you're indicating right, because that isn't your third exit. You should have indicated. It's not like your third exit. Left indicators for your first exit, none for your second. Indicate off the roundabout, be a second exit, and the third, then you indicate right for third exit. Ah!
Behind me, right behind me. You went affirmative. Where are you? You're not? You're on a fucking bike, dude. This is bullshit. Absolute shit. Seriously, dude. Okay.
How Hyundai has kind of copied Intel with their processors. i80, i70, i60. It didn't quite work for a car, but okay. If that's the only, if that in that broadroom is the only idea Hyundai had, that was like it. That was like, guys, you can't think of anything else but Intel's the way of naming the processors. And they went, okay, we don't have a choice, do we? Break.
Oh yeah, why don't we go... Oh yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Blah.
Can do.
Okay. I don't know which way. Cash, register, EPOS. Oh, BCG. Oh, they've gone down over the years.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Right. Hey guys, and welcome to Luke Adventures with my dad. Going to a place we don't know. On a road we have never been on. In our own country.
Oh, right-o. Everyone goes left here.
That's never. That is a.
Just feels a lot better with you in...
The Dartmouth follow lanes? What the hell does that mean? Which way? Let's go Brixham. What? Oh god, which gear am I in? Don't know which. Ah.
Because it's safer. So...
which way do we go now? This way?
Closer proximity. But...
Yeah, it does have two roads. I don't fucking know what any of it means. Yeah. Oh god, I know these roads are bumpy cunts. Because I'm getting them bumpied up. Bumpy. Whoa! That's a view, isn't it? If the sun wasn't in my face! That'd be quite a view. Oh my god. It's getting tighter. It's getting tighter. The road's getting tighter and I don't know if it's gonna get any more tighter. Oh my god, this road sucks.
It's quite busy. And that one.
I like the road as in... Okay, I know, you know, what I mean by that is, the road isn't shit, it's like all twisty and, yeah, it's nice. It's the surface that's crap. On a bike, you feel the bumpiness. Apart from the bumpiness. Ow. Alright, I get distracted by our fields. Look at that. All these random fields everywhere.
House. Go, 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 go.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go slow now. No, we haven't.
What the fuck? What the fuck, mate? And we're next to a marina. Nah, be fine. Probably is no such road. It's just a load of crap and we just carry on driving. Wow. This is a pretty place. Pretty. Wow. Oh my god! Where have we ended up?
This is where the battery happens, guys.
In a really pretty place. Full of boats. I'm miles behind you. What's this warning about? Stop when lights show.
Show. Whoa, 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 stop. Look! The sea! The sea is literally in front of us, the river! Yeah.
No, what? What are we going to do?
That's a good question. Really? If you want. So isn't the only crossing at like Plymouth or something? It's the thing, isn't it? We used to have sat navs. When you don't have a sat nav, it's like, oh my god, the world of weariness and blurriness and. Oh no! Okay, I'm not up for then they bash us. I don't know. They call the police or something. I'm not looking forward to that. What do you think? The next crossing could be at Plymouth. Fuck me. Guys, this is going to be an adventure of bewilderiness. We're going to go to crossing, and this crossing's like actually quite important. Do you want to lead, or...?
We won't be on here forever. Hiya!
£2 each.
Thank you.
Bloody hell.
Cheers. It's kind of smooth, isn't it?
Yeah, it is really smooth. Like, you couldn't notice. As I said, guys, this is the adventure of a lifetime. Over there is I actually don't know what that is. Do you know where that is? I don't fucking know where that is. All I know is that it's, this is surreal. I can't feel the boat moving, we're just like moving. That's really surreal, guys. It's really surreal. I mean, it's just like, you couldn't imagine it, you couldn't picture it. Look at a church! You YouTube people. If you're watching this, the reason why we're like, wow and amazing is amazing, even though we're in our own country and our own county, it doesn't mean we're safe. So, when you see new stuff, even if it's in our own bloody county, it's like, wow. You know? What I mean by not being safe is just the whole, we don't know how to get to home now. So, money doesn't last forever. And that's if our bikes do not fail. If they fail, oh my god. Kawasaki, so they should be alright.
The way we...
The little rascal has fluid. As was it?
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.